see him, I know him. I mean, him know me. I mean, I know him because I'm a country boy, long time I know you, know. Sometimes I know who you know. Oh, know you. Mm-hmm. Alright guys, so what I do. I can't go like cook out today, you know? Because now it's a bad start late. So so we're going. We have pot gun on the fire already. You know. The cow skin and them thing there already in a pot. You know, the cow skin pressure already. Chicken put in there. You know, I'm not boil much soup. Yeah man. So the pumpkin are cut up, so I'm gonna go for the pumpkin now and show you what does that boil up. Yeah man, so by the chicken done cook, the pumpkin start mash already, you can add in the ingredients them. And me there I go down on the river, you know guys. Been a while, me not come inside there, you know. So already a long time I don't know the river here. When we reach down there, down here, bush up and change up, you know. But you don't know so you go. Nature take a course and them thing there. Over time, things much because you know, rainfall and you know, natural disaster. The time you look at them stone, slippery. Stone, we drop you. Eh, stone, we drop you. Like a rainfall. Yeah man. Yeah. So I continue going down. Long when I come down here so. Kind of bad near really come down again because it's bushy. But I don't know what someone else so. You know, there's only see man and man start come clean up. Cause some man, you know, the river bash. All them places they look so still about. You don't know. I'm say rainfall natural disaster. You know, the rainfall hurricane come and them to wash away the soil and thing. You have no rain so the river dirty. I'm so clean. We know them got a soft grass so they easy to cut down. Yes man. Yeah man, so all over there a long time I gonna know the river here, you know. Yes man, over there a long time know the river here. It can be enough video down here so back in time, you know. You can see how in my early YouTube days, yeah, I did enough video down here so. Enough video over here so. Pan a stone there so. You know. Pan a stone right here so. Yes man, they do enough video down here so. Come on, so if you come back down here, come to start with the back some video, you know. Just clean the road coming down and thing. Yes man, peace. So all over there a long time I got know the river, you know. Yeah man. So take time go up the path up here, so. Don't need mash up man, don't need mash up, but I don't know river still there and we have life that are the greatest. Yes man, peace, reach. Remember one time, you know, there's a deep and river be much more broader, but I don't know. I'm say all them places here one time couldn't go. No one near the stone here. The stone so no one near the stone. Deep. So all who can see me couldn't come at them places, you know. You can walk out, everything look like I know. The shallow man. But I don't know. That's easy to start out back. Easy to broaden the river and much water the river go up back and thing. Fire move lazy because with the cool. So we can put some bram in it if we can get it active up in it. Yeah, man. People, man, check out Ellis Amputation, right? For all the needs. If you want to go on a trip, when you can contact him. Anything. If you want to go up on a date and want somebody to carry on in style, you know, AC, everything, when you can contact him. Church trip, when you have school kids, go to school to and from, everything. So come show you what going on. See? Inside clean. It's a nice clean ride, AC working, everything. You know, you have a curtain same way, so you have a privacy. So if you don't want body to know what going on, you can see what going on. And see the number here to call 329-3949. Yeah, see there? Anything. Safe and reliable. That means nobody now taken away. Right? So, we don't have to jump out like some other services. Nobody now taken away. Very punctual. So, if you say 10 o'clock, at 10 o'clock. If 9 o'clock, at 9 o'clock. 9:30 or 10 o'clock. Once a boy X time, we'll show up on that time. So, let's check out Ellis Compression Service. I know smoke down fire, but I don't know. I'll keep it active up, man. To get some local stick, put night so you can make it build up and make the wood them warm up and start blaze. Water, boy, I know so I do the pumpkin. Say pumpkin pretty guys. I do the pumpkin, I know. If pumpkin going to cook. They may add in more water. But I never want to add enough water, the fire more lazy. And take long to boil the water, so I take add in little water. Alright, come in. Alright guys, so I'm adding some rosemary and clove and I pack to go and cook. So yeah, man, get some clove and I pack to go and cook. I don't know. I want to put spice up and nice. And some rosemary I know, you know. So them things make it quite nice.
Same place.
Yeah, man, like that.
Same place, auntie, same place. Auntie, man, you put it out. You know what's like?
Cut off the cake.
Leave it. Auntie, put out. Auntie, put out. You know auntie cut you.
In good man, cake. In good man.
Mommy there. Can you cut this one for me, auntie?
So cake, I didn't cake.
Eh?
Buckle it, put it back.
Put the
Put it back.
Put the can get them in there.
Oh. I'm going to drink up the rain at the same time. Very nice, I listen to guys, but I don't know. So you got rain, maybe on him. I join him power. I go and sip, we're doing, I can't sit on it. I can cook and me to love drinking stills. Alright, if I kind of catch up on one, I'm going with the tail. So if I know. I would them a try now because be a rain from one day, so it would then cool. Man, put this. Right, that's what if you go and keep. Wow. When you go and keep warm. Yeah, man.
This is
So the breadfruit just throwing right now. The man's gonna get the dumpling and all that throwing right now. I'm gonna throw the noodle. Alright guys, I'm throwing the iPad. Can't see still. I'm telling you already man, I'm a good man. Now I got beer steam, so I'm just showing the finished product I'm done, you know? Yeah man, so the noodle gone in, the scale and time gone in, all them things gone in. You want see there?
This?
You know see? So I can answer what going on, KK. So KK, look where it takes a long flight, one candle.
Oh, these are blue.
No, but not blow, man. Ah, that good now, that good now. Jesus Christ, I take 24 flight, one candle. You got a out.
Yeah, also.
You got a candle for you, so you got a out. God, KK can't like candle. Take for me, so because I know what you do.
You like to go up, Chubby?
But I can't get for you, Chubby, and KK. You see a big man like fire boy?
You like to go up?
What the candle like the thing?
You like to
Come on, Chubby. Alright, so another one for so. Oh, then there again.
Then I sit there and fix my candle good nice, yeah?
Yeah, mad auntie man.
Don't stay down, baby.
I like candle man. Well, man, can you see the fence budget? Candle and cut too short. It's thingy. Nah, catch. You see that now.
Hold on.